I'm excited to share with you today this amazing luxury home built in the heart of Iowa City. Welcome back to Rich Hatch Homes. Oh wow, this is really cool. Got a front office right here. You have all these lights, tall 10-foot ceilings, open space. The ceiling's very clean, has no soffits. Everything's new. You have this beautiful island right here facing the open concept with the dining and living room. South-facing windows that let in a lot of natural light. Gas fireplace over there. This is really, really cool. Look at the appliances. I mean, this is high-end luxury. Now Ava's gonna take you through a quick tour of the house. You guys are really gonna enjoy it, and then I'll meet you back upstairs. Let's talk location. This house is built in Manville Heights, which is one of the most desired areas of Iowa City. Why is it so desired? Because you're close to the University of Iowa, you're close to the University of Iowa hospitals and clinics, you're close to downtown Iowa City, and we're only about a 5-minute drive to Interstate 80. We are close to everything. Well, let's talk about one of my favorite features of this home, and that's this 3rd-story loft area. And what is so cool about this is look at the views you have out these windows. I mean, how fun is this house? We were just on the back porch looking out on City Park. You are towering over these older homes with their chimneys. It is just like, it's like out of a postcard. It's so beautiful. You have a bedroom up here. You have like a little rec area with a bar over here, wet bar. It's cool. Well, this is a new construction house. And with a new construction house, you get all the benefits of a new construction house, including the energy efficiency, the tall ceilings, the dry basement, big garage. We got it all. But we didn't want to lose the charm of the neighborhood. We have a Craftsman style house next to us. We have a Foursquare on the other side of us. So we wanted to keep that going. So we gave the house a little bit of a Craftsman look. We also put in a very traditional, the hardwood floors, the dark look, and we have an open gas fireplace. So it keeps the charm of this wonderful area. And that concludes this episode of Rich Hatch Homes. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.